Hey there, today, we're sinking our teeth into a diet that's so meaty, even Ron Swanson would be impressed. Welcome to the wild world of the carnivore diet. Imagine a world where steak is a food group, chicken is a side dish, and vegetables are, well, nowhere to be found. Sound like a meat lover's paradise or a nutritionist's nightmare? Buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to embark on a journey to the land where plant-based is a four-letter word and every meal is a tribute to our carnivorous ancestors. Let's dive into the sizzling, juicy details of the carnivore diet. The carnivore diet is exactly what it sounds like, eating only foods that come from animals. It's like taking the Atkins diet, cranking it up to 11, and then tossing out anything that ever photosynthesized. We're talking meat, fish, eggs, and some dairy. That's it. No fruits, no vegetables, no grains, no nuts. It's the dietary equivalent of saying, plants? We don't need no stinking plants. This diet is often seen as the final boss in the world of low-carb, high-fat diets. It's like keto's more extreme, slightly unhinged cousin. The idea is to completely eliminate carbs and fiber, relying solely on animal products for all your nutritional needs. It's not just a diet, it's a primal, meat-powered lifestyle that claims to tap into our ancestral roots. So, what exactly can you eat on the carnivore diet? Let's break it down. Meat, red meat, poultry, organ meats. If it once mooed, clucked, or oinked, it's fair game. Fish, salmon, sardines, trout, basically, anything with fins and a face. Eggs, nature's perfect protein package gets the green light. Dairy, some carnivore dieters include certain dairy products, particularly those low in lactose like hard cheeses and butter. Water, the only beverage that's universally accepted on this diet. And what's off the menu? Well, everything else. Fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, nuts, seeds, all banned from the carnivore kingdom. It's like these foods have been exiled to a distant land, never to return. Some hardcore carnivores even eschew seasonings and spices, arguing that salt is the only seasoning you need. It's like turning your taste buds into minimalists. If it's not meat, it's not neat. The evolutionary argument. Proponents of the carnivore diet often point to our ancestral past as justification. The argument goes something like this: our early ancestors were primarily meat eaters, and our bodies evolved to thrive on animal products. It's like claiming we're all just cavemen and business casual, desperately in need of a mammoth steak. This evolutionary argument suggests that many modern health problems stem from the agricultural revolution and the introduction of plant foods into our diets. According to this view, returning to a meat-only diet is like hitting the reset button on our health, taking us back to our roots, very meaty roots. Of course, anthropologists and nutritionists might have a bone to pick with this oversimplified view of human dietary evolution. It turns out, our ancestors were more opportunistic omnivores than strict carnivores. But hey, why let facts get in the way of a good steak, right? What happens when you go full carnivore? Now, let's put on our lab coats and dive into the science. What happens to your body when you eliminate all plant foods? Ketosis on steroids. Like the keto diet, the carnivore diet can lead to ketosis, but it's ketosis turned up to 11. Your body becomes a fat-burning furnace, running entirely on ketones and fat. Elimination diet extreme. By removing all plant foods, you're essentially conducting the mother of all elimination diets. Some people report improvements in digestive issues, autoimmune conditions, and even mental clarity. Nutrient density. Animal products are undeniably nutrient-dense, packed with protein, B vitamins, iron, and zinc. It's like turning your diet into a multivitamin. If multivitamins were made of steak, zero carb, zero fiber, with no plant foods, you're getting virtually no carbohydrates or fiber. This can lead to dramatic changes in your gut microbiome. It's like hitting the reset button on your internal ecosystem. Potential nutrient deficiencies. While animal products are nutrient-rich, they don't contain everything. Vitamin C, for instance, is largely absent from animal foods. Scurvy, anyone? It's important to note that long-term studies on the carnivore diet are as rare as a vegetarian at a steakhouse. Much of the evidence is anecdotal, making this diet more of a nutritional Wild West than a well-trodden path. Potential benefits. Carnivore diet enthusiasts claim a laundry list of benefits. Let's chew on some of these claims. Weight loss. With zero carbs and high protein, many people report significant weight loss. It's like putting your body on a high-protein, fat-burning autopilot. Improved insulin sensitivity. No carbs means stable blood sugar. Diabetics, take note, but also, please consult your doctor before trying this. Reduced inflammation. Some report improvements in inflammatory conditions. It's like sending your immune system to a meat-powered spa. Mental clarity. The stable blood sugar and high-fat intake might contribute to improved cognitive function. Brain fog? Meet brain steak. Simplified eating. When your only food group is animal, meal planning becomes incredibly simple. It's meal prep for minimalists. Improved digestive issues. For some, eliminating plant foods alleviates digestive problems. It's like giving your gut a vacation from fiber. Remember, while these benefits sound juicy, they're mostly based on personal experiences rather than rigorous scientific studies. Your mileage may vary. The flip side, potential risks and considerations. Before you start planning an all-you-can-eat meat buffet, let's look at some potential downsides. Nutrient deficiencies. Without plants, you might miss out on certain vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's like building a house with only half the materials. Cardiovascular concerns. A diet high in saturated fat might increase cholesterol levels. Your heart might not be as thrilled about this diet as your taste buds. Digestive issues. With zero fiber, constipation can become a real pain in the, well, it's like turning your digestive system into a one-way street. Kidney stress. High protein intake might stress the kidneys, especially in people with pre-existing kidney issues. Social challenges. Try explaining to your vegan friend why you can't make it to the new plant-based restaurant. Awkward. Ethical and environmental concerns. A diet based entirely on animal products raises significant ethical and environmental questions. Mother Nature might not be too pleased with this meal plan. Thinking of giving the carnivore diet a shot? Here are some tips to help you navigate this meaty maze. Start slow. Consider transitioning through a keto diet first. It's like dipping your toe in the carnivore pool before diving in. Quality matters. Opt for high-quality, grass-fed, organic meats when possible. If you're only eating animals, make sure they're the best animals. Don't fear fat. Fat is your friend on this diet. Embrace fattier cuts of meat to ensure you're getting enough calories. Stay hydrated. Without the water content from fruits and veggies, you'll need to be more mindful about hydration. Listen to your body. If something doesn't feel right, reassess. Your body is smarter than any diet trend. Consider supplements. You might need to supplement certain nutrients, especially in the long term. Consult with a healthcare professional. Be prepared for the carnivore flu. Some people experience fatigue, headaches, and digestive upset when first starting. It's like your body's way of saying, wait, where's my broccoli? Let's walk through a day of eating on the carnivore diet. Breakfast. Scrambled eggs with bacon. Who needs toast when you have more bacon? Lunch. Grilled chicken thighs. No side salad here, folks. Dinner. Ribeye steak. Maybe with a side of more steak? Snacks. Beef jerky or hard cheese, if you're including dairy. Notice a pattern? It's meat, meat, and more meat, with a side of meat for variety. And there you have it, folks. The carnivore diet, a testament to the idea that you can have your steak and eat it too, and then have more steak. It's a dietary approach that's certainly not for the faint of heart, or the vegetarian inclined. While the carnivore diet boasts some passionate advocates and intriguing anecdotal benefits, it's important to remember that it's an extreme approach that lacks long-term scientific study. As with any major dietary change, it's crucial to consult with healthcare professionals before diving in. So, are you ready to join the ranks of the meat-only militia? Or does the thought of giving up your greens make you, well, green around the gills? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on health, nutrition, and wellness. Until next time, may your steaks be juicy, your eggs be runny, and your dietary choices be well informed.